All right, so a few months ago, I found an 87 Super Sport in a dude's front lawn, and I tried to knock on the door. The dude was like, no, this is my baby. I'm not selling, blah, blah, blah. Well, I got the call, motherfucker. I got the call. And he's got a second 88 Super Sport T-top hitting the front clip. I'm going to try to buy him both today. Hopefully he's going to be reasonable and he'll let it go. This car is a hardtop car. No motor, no trans. Gray interior. Pristine inside. So, let's go get him. All right, so we're here. Remember her? That one? That's the one. Here's the situation. I can't actually get at that frame rail, so I'm gonna see what I can see from that side of the fence. This one doesn't look too bad. It's definitely chalky where that body mount sits, which is obviously always a concern because these cars always rust right there. So the fun thing about these Gbody cars is we need to see the frame before we buy the car. And I can't really see the frame, so I'm gonna have to... I don't know if you can see, but this car is actually really solid. That rear mount though, that rear mount's definitely soft. Wheelhouses look like they're intact. I have a friend. Hi, friend. Hi, pretty girl. You're gorgeous. Yes, you are. Oh my goodness. You're just a gorgeous little girl. Yes, you are. So one thing I look for on these Gs are how bad are these door bottoms, because the Northwest is just so hard on our cars.
This one, the other one's opening up on blocks, so.
We have keys. All right, what's in the trunk? Oh, this is the right key first try. You guys ready? What's in the trunk of my new Monty? Opens nicely. Okay, all right. So first thing I'm checking for is these drops right here. They always go for shit. And the second thing I'm looking for is this upper trunk shelf. And that right there is my biggest concern. Fuck. They always do that, these fuckers. The bottom of the wheelhouse looks good. The quarter looks decent as well. Let's check the other side. Okay. Same situation. It actually looks like it's been painted. As you can see, it's clearly been repainted. Those hard lines should tell you everything. And the fucking orange peel. That's concerning. What does this gutter look like underneath there? All right, well, let's go see the other one in the backyard. Here's the kicker. It comes with another car. Another car with T-tops. Let's take a look. So this one's been hit and he's already kind of gotten to it. We've got a complete front clip right here. A little bit of bang bang. But the nose is all there. And we have my little friend over here. My little friend. Yeah, it's been hitting the corner. Alright, so let's see if we can do this without breaking a fucking nail. We don't even have a carpet kit in this one. Once again, another 87, 88. Some spider webs. All the fucking T-top panels are here. That's kind of sweet. These seals are just dried right the fuck out. These T-top cars, they rust right here, right there. And I'm not gonna be surprised if I'm seeing into the bottom of the A-pillar. Yeah, that's the factory seam. Another really good example of where things like to rust on these cars. Let's check the door bottoms just so I can show you guys what a shit door bottom's gonna look like. Corner is solid and then it just gets worse from there. So the other thing on these Monty El Camino Malibus, these wheelhouses. The wheelhouses Always, always, always on these cars, that's where you want to look. And of course, the rear quarters. If they're rusty, they're gonna look like that. This frame is nothing to write home about. Should we do another little what's in the trunk? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's see, I think it's either gonna be this one or the gold one. Nope. Not that lucky on the first try. Oh, that's the right one. You guys ready? She's opening nicely. Holy fuck. We got the whole motor in the trunk. Oh, free pair of shoes. Fuck. That's a relic right there, hey? Oh, what the fuck are those NOS parts? They're these. Fucking A-pillars for a T-top. So they actually mount right here. So that's what these guys do. I want this car just because of this. Once again, we're looking at gutters, right? Like that's where we're gutters. Deck looks fucked on this one. It is hot as hell out here. You guys see what I'm getting into. Let's see if we can make a deal. Money talks. Here's the deal. As you guys saw, there's two 87 Super Sports. Oh my god, my hands are black. Two of them. One is obviously a donor car. The other one is a keeper. My keeper. He wants my 86 442. So he's gonna come out next week, take a look at it. Rather than me throw him just cash, he wants that car and cash, or however we're gonna work it out. So I'm super excited about this. It's happening. I'm coming up on an 87 Super Sport that is solid enough to save. That means I will have 4 Super Sports to blow apart and keep what I need for my build, and then offer you guys the rest of what's available in those other cars. So I'm really excited about this, and I'm excited to see what turns out. So stay tuned.